Hey everyone, let's take a look at how you can generate a Playwright test using the Playwright MCP. What's the difference between using Copilot to generate a test and using the MCP? Well, basically, imagine a scenario where you do not have access to the code, but you need to test a URL. All you've got is the browser. Copilot can help you here. And that's where the Playwright MCP comes in. It gives Copilot access to the browser, so it can open a browser and use it just like a user would. But then it can save what it did into memory and then generate a test for you. Let's take a look. So here I've got a reusable prompt file, and this is located inside my .github folder, inside a prompts folder, and I've just called it generate_test. And this is basically setting the scene. It's saying you're a Playwright test generator, you're given a scenario, you need to generate a Playwright test for it. Do not generate test code based on the scenario alone. Do run the steps using the Playwright MCP, and then only after they're completed, emit the Playwright test and save that test in the test directory, and then execute the test and iterate until the test passes. I've already got the MCP up and running. I've just got it locally installed here, and it's running as you can see here. Now let's go ahead and drag and drop a prompt file into Copilot so it has it in context. And then we can paste in the command we want it to do. We want it to generate a Playwright test for the following scenario. Navigate to a URL, search for Garfield, and verify the movie is in the list. Now I'm using agent mode here, and I'm using Cloud 3.5 Sonnet for this example. Let's go press play and see what it does. So it's going to help us generate a Playwright test. But first, let's start by opening the browser. Look at that. It's just opened up a browser window for us by running the Playwright MCP server. Now it's searching for Garfield, but look, it's run into an issue. So it's gone ahead and ran a page snapshot so it can get all the accessible names of the page so it knows what it needs to do. And look at this. It now sees it needs to click the search icon before it's able to run the text and type the word Garfield. So that's really, really cool. Now it's successfully able to set up the test scenario because it knows exactly what it needs to do to click to get there. Look at that. It's just gone ahead and created the test for us. Let's go and look at that. Look, it looks pretty good. And it's going ahead and running it too. And there we go. That worked. It passed just as we'd hoped. And there we have a test just generated by the MCP being the user clicking around a scenario that we just asked for in basic English, and it's able to generate that test for us. That's pretty cool. That's how you can generate a test using the Playwright MCP. Go ahead and play around with it. Make sure you're tweaking those prompts to get it right, and happy testing, everyone.